What do you do if you're pregnant and you are injured in an accident? Now, this video is specifically relating to slip and falls, trip and falls, any other type of personal injury related accidents, non-auto, non-truck, non-car accident type cases. But if you're pregnant and you've experienced a slip and fall injury, again, it's a very tricky situation. It's very sensitive from a medical perspective and also from a legal perspective. We have many female clients who are pregnant, who are injured, and they come to us and really are scared. They don't know what's going to happen to them physically. They don't know how they're going to be able to carry the baby under these conditions. It really disrupts their pregnancy and their quality of life. And so they reach out to us for questions. So if you've been injured in, let's just say, a trip and fall or a slip and fall, first you need to get emergency medical care. Go to the hospital, get your injury checked out, and make sure that the baby is okay. After that, make sure you follow up with your OB/GYN, explain the circumstances, make sure that the baby is okay and that you are cleared to continue on with further medical treatment. Now, a lot of our cases, for example, we have a female client that just tripped and fell, broke her ankle. Well, that I'd say is an extreme injury. And because of the extreme nature of the injury, she actually was allowed to get an X-ray because she went in and, of course, they covered her body up to make sure that the baby was protected from the rays. And they found out, yeah, it's a break of the ankle, and she had to go in and have surgery. So that's an extreme case. MRIs, CAT scans, and X-rays are normally not given to pregnant women unless you fall into one of those extreme cases. If you fall into that extreme case with an injury while you're pregnant, again, make sure that the person doing the diagnostic testing is covering you up properly to make sure that there is no exposure to the baby. But generally speaking, if it's just simply an injury with no broken bones, not one of those extreme type cases where surgery is going to be needed, you'll fall into the conservative care category until you deliver the baby. And what I mean by conservative care, you likely will get referred out to a chiropractor if you've got any neck or back injuries, maybe an orthopedist if you've got some other type of injuries, or at the end of the day, you're just simply going to be doing conservative treatment until the baby is delivered. Once the baby's delivered, you will be able to go back in and have that diagnostic testing to determine what exactly is wrong. Like I said, if it's something wrong with your spinal column, maybe to a knee or an ankle, whatever the case may be, you usually will wait until after the baby is born to have that type of testing done. So again, I know it's scary to be involved in an accident while you're pregnant. There's a lot going on, but the baby's health is always the primary concern, and a lot of mothers get extremely nervous, extremely worried, and they just don't know what to do throughout this process. And Jonathan and I take it upon ourselves to be really the best guide and form of communicators that we can. We're in constant contact with the woman's medical providers to make sure that everything is going smoothly. And then once the baby is delivered, clean up the case and make sure it's appropriate for a demand to the insurance company. So if you have any questions about an injury that you've sustained from an accident while you're pregnant, please contact us for a free consultation.